Hey, Chance. So I'm gonna try me some little egg rolls, y'all. Y'all see it? Yeah. Hell no. Oh, get my food. Ooh, y'all. I'm gonna eat it up. All right. Get my food. Go, go, go. Well, we gotta try this. So this is the twisted. Okay. It's the twisted. Make sure a little sauce go with it.
I'm gonna try it.
You gonna try it? Okay. You gonna put it with the sauce?
Not yet.
Okay.
See
You
what it
gonna...
tastes like without sauce. Really good.
Pretty good. That's good.
What?
Dang, that thing full of meat.
You
wanna try it with the sauce?
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
Let me open it. Hold on, I'll open it for you. Yeah, get it in.
Thank you.
You will.
Alright.
Alright.
Hold
Hold up. Hold up what?
Hold up.
What you stand out and hold up for? Okay.
Okay, I had to taste that again. That's it.
You had to taste that again? All right, hold on. Here your little straw go. Try the lemonade. Let's try the lemonade. Okay. You tried that. Let's close that up real quick. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we're working with. It's Junkie juice. That's what it's called.
Junkie juice.
Junkie juice. Okay. All right. Let's see.
It's good.
It's good. Okay. All right.
It's good. I want to get back to this though.
You want to get back to that?
Yep. Leave me alone.
Leave you alone.
Take camera off.
Turn the camera off.
Take camera off.
All right. You finna get down, bust down. Okay. I'm gonna try it. But I got different ones. Okay. So, I don't know why I'm being backwards, y'all. I want to try the Junkie juice first. Okay. Y'all know I love me a good lemonade. I like me a good lemonade now. Can y'all tell I got me a good lemonade? Woo! All right, let me ease up on this lemonade. Okay. Bourbon Street egg rolls. Let me show y'all what it look like. Okay. Nice little egg roll. Okay, what we got going on here? Okay, we got some sauce to go with it. Chance can't try these because they got shrimp in them. Okay. Yeah. Let me get the sauce with it. Hold on. Y'all, lunch break on point. I like some good egg roll. Yes, I do. Yeah. That's good egg roll. This is my opinion on it though. I like my vegetables in my egg roll. I do. I like my cabbage, all that in my egg roll. So maybe some lettuce, something on the side. Vegetable for me, my opinion. But other than that, I like some good egg roll. I do. It's a good egg roll. Sauce good. For me, I like my vegetables, so of course I'm gonna want veggies in the egg roll. But I know these. Which one is this? Bourbon Street. These Bourbon Street. So you know, maybe I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. Bourbon. You know. It's good. I ain't stop eating it yet. Y'all, let me not eat all of these because I got to try the other one. And I'm telling you. The sauce though, Lord. Okay. Listen, baby. Okay. Oh, I got napkin. Y'all listen. Everybody got them on that. Okay. Hold on. Chance, I gotta send you up there and get me another Junkie juice.
Okay.
I gotta send him to go get me another Junkie juice. I'm a big drinker.
I got my money. So
I'm gonna give you money.
I got my money.
Hold on. So, Wonders of the Sea. Okay. Alright. Listen. Let me say this. These EggRolls is full. They ain't, I mean, when I tell you they full of meat, full of just, oof. Let me get the sauce though, because I know me. How the hell I open this? Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, here we go. No, I'm ready. Listen. Listen to the crunching sound you hear.
Oh God.
Baby. Baby. This don't make no damn sense.
Too good?
Boy.
Oh God.
Listen, this Wonders of the Sea EggRoll. I almost started singing "Wade in the Water." Lord. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna be able to say Mikhail no.
It's gone.
Y'all.
Just like this.
Now y'all know I'm gonna be I'm gonna be honest. Baby. These damn EggRolls right here. Top tier. Ain't that what y'all say? That's what the youngins say. Top tier. Top tier. Top tier. Wonders of the sea. Top tier. Let me taste a little. I gotta hold myself now. Let me taste a little bit of that twisted Philly. Just right here. Okay. Twisted Philly. Got a little sauce.
Sauce.
Little queso, I think. Good.
Man. It got that hook on it. It got that hook on it, don't it?
Yo, I promise y'all.
It got that hook on it.
I ate 1, 2, 3. This will be 4. I am full. You just need one. I brought a lot of them because I want to try them. But all you need is just get one, and you'll get full.
Not for me.
Or not for you, but for me, I just need one thing. Like, yeah, it come with 4 EggRolls. It come with 4 EggRolls. It's worth it, y'all. And this Junkie juice, I think I might be getting full because of the Junkie juice. Which, let me go and send my son back up here for some more Junkie juice. I'm glad I didn't pull off. Just tell her you want a Junkie juice. Bring me my Junkie juice. They done turned me into a junkie. I feel like Gator off of.
I'm out.
Hold on, let me pull up. Wait, y'all, they got me over here in this corner hiding, eating this food. This don't make no sense. Let me go. Let me pull up. Go give me a Junkie juice. Okay. Let me give me a Junkie juice. All right. Go get it.
You crying?
No, I ain't crying. I almost wanted to cry.
Yeah.
No, that's my allergies.
Uh-huh.
I ain't crying about no damn Junkie juice. I ain't whatever. Y'all, I just sent my son up there to get another Junkie juice. Like, I'm for real. I like a good lemonade. You know, I like. Oh, excuse me, I had to burp. I like lemonade. If anybody know me, excuse me, anybody know me, they know I love me some lemonade. I do. Yes, I do. I loves me some lemonade. But I done sent my son back up there to get some more Junkie juice. I sent him up there to get more Junkie juice. I'm on the Junkie in the juice. I had to go get some more Junkie juice. Chance going to get my Junkie juice. You just got back in my car and ain't bring me no Junkie juice.
I said they out of Junkie juice.
They out of Junkie juice.
Yes.
Nah.
It must be that good.
Listen, y'all.